DeCaro Auctions International presents the best opportunity on the north shores of Lake Tahoe, bringing to you this multi-award-winning architectural masterpiece with unmatched views of the entire lake, all selling at a live, no reserve, absolute auction. Get your best bids ready. On auction day, this all could be yours. (6229) North Lake Boulevard sits on 90 feet of waterfront on a gate bay, one of the calmest bays on the lake, which is excellent for all of your water sports activities. The property sits on 1.2 acres with 90 feet of shoreline, an unmatched 270-degree panoramic view from 70 feet above the water's edge. The sellers took exceptional care while building the property to make sure that there was an unobstructed lake view from every room in the home. A private 2-car garage attached to a guest house above with a separate caretaker's apartment, a covered breezeway that connects up to the main house with 2 extra floors of the main living area. All levels are accessible by 2 3-level elevators to reach every floor of the house. The property is positioned perfectly to capture all 4 seasons. Lakefront for all of your summertime activities, and just miles away from the multiple ski resorts Lake Tahoe has to offer, including North Star and the Olympic Village at Squaw Valley. At approximately 5,300 square feet, the home was designed to incorporate advanced designs, technical features, energy efficiencies, high-end furnishings, and logistical elements necessary for accessing all 6 different levels. Adding value to your win is a 110-foot deep water pier with an 18 by 12-foot pier head and 2 catwalks designed and permitted, just waiting for you to come and build. DeCaro Auctions' live auction platform provides the buyer the best way to buy luxury real estate. You see exactly who's bidding, you know where they're at with price, ensuring you don't overpay. DeCaro Auctions has already done the work for you. We vet all of our sellers to ensure that they have the proper motivation and allow the buyers to determine the value of their property. Don't miss your chance to own the best property on the north shores of Lake Tahoe. Get your best bids ready, and all of this could be yours.